Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums. The first week of 2019 has certainly brought in good news for Sony TV, as the channel, as known by everyone, is on a high owing to the fantastic debuts of Super Dancer Chapter 3 and The Kapil Sharma Show. While we will see forward how they fared actually, let us have a look at what happened to the other shows in the list. At number 10 is Shakti Astitva Ke Ehsaas Ki. Amidst all the shows raking in big numbers, it's amazing that Shakti has managed to stay in the list, and it does so with a good 2.5 points. Facing a massive fall this week to the 9th spot is Kumkum Bhagya. The show has witnessed this spot earlier, but with a so-so 2.5 points, the show needs to be back in the game as soon as possible. It indeed was a surprise to see Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai get ousted out of the top 10 last week, but the show is back in contention with a fairly decent 2.7 points and the 8th position. Witnessing its worst fall since inception is Nagin 3. We never thought we would see this, but not only has Nagin 3 dropped to the 7th spot, but also lost immense numbers to 2.7 points. Will the show make a comeback? Only time will tell. Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma also witnesses a fall on the list to the 6th spot with 2.7 points, but in a week where major shows have struggled, this is a good feat indeed. The finale of Bigg Boss 12 was always supposed to rake in the numbers, and while it topped the online rating charts, it also fared quite well on the BARC list with 2.8 points. Bigg Boss 12 bows out at the 5th spot. Kundli Bhagya may have fallen to the 4th position from last week with 3.0 points. It's the topper in its own sense if you talk about fiction shows alone. So a good job to stay atop. The first success quotient for Sony TV this week was Super Dancer Chapter 3. Always a rating grabber, the 3rd season with the same judges and even the same host continues to be a favourite. With 3.4 points, it gets the 3rd spot. Making a grand debut this week not only critically but also commercially is The Kapil Sharma Show. The return of the show was always supposed to get eyeballs, but the good thing is that it lived up to the hype. With 3.6 points, it gets the 2nd spot. The one-time topper this week is the Star Screen Awards 2019. Overall, the program was quite dull, but it raked in fantastic numbers nevertheless. With a blistering 4.1 points, the show did what it had to do. The Kapil Sharma Show and Super Dancer Chapter 3 may have grabbed headlines, but one cannot ignore the fall of Nagin 3. Will the show have any retribution? We'll find out next week. Now, which is your favorite show out of these two? Comment and tell us.
Hello, I'm Surbhi Jyoti and you are watching me on India Forums. Please subscribe to their YouTube channel.